Hey, what's up everyone? Thank you for clicking that play button. If this is your first time here, my name is Ashley. Welcome back or to my channel. In today's video, I have another unboxing. This unboxing is very much similar to like my other ones. Long overdue. I am unboxing a new iPhone. I have no idea what model or number iPhone this is. This was a gift from my mom, my Mama Dukes, for my birthday in August, and I'm finally getting the opportunity to unbox this iPhone. I'm just a different kind of person. I sit on things. You're going to realize that as I do more unboxings on my channel, but I did go ahead and get this brand new iPhone from my mom for my birthday. I'll just put the little price tag over there. Yeah, so I was gifted this iPhone for my birthday, brand new with a case, this USB-C power adapter, and it looks like this is some type of protective seal cover. Yeah, this is a cover for a screen protector. That's the word I'm looking for. This is a screen protector. So again, I was gifted this iPhone for my birthday back in August. My phone is definitely in need of an upgrade. I currently have the iPhone XR, I believe, and it's slowly been conking out on me. So that's really what prompted me to go ahead and do this unboxing. And again, my birthday is in August and it's really the end of April. So do the math, people, do the math. So finally getting into it. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this iPhone. Super excited because again, yesterday my current iPhone XR was acting up. It was saying no SIM card, all kind of nonsense. So I'm like, you know what? Before it officially conks out on me, let's go ahead and do this unboxing. So enough rambling, let's go ahead and get into it. So here she is, looking good, looking good. Let's see if I can tell what iPhone this is. So I did take a look at the back. This is the iPhone 13. So definitely an upgrade from what I currently have. So let's go ahead and unbox. Oh, wow. She looked good. Oh man, she's pretty. So much prettier than my current iPhone. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Super, super, super excited for this. She nice. The color of this, it doesn't look black. It almost looks like a midnight navy blue, which I love. My current iPhone, the iPhone XR, is a sort of like that baby blue. So super excited to go ahead and start playing with this. And then of course it comes with the standard cord, as well as I'm assuming these are the, what is this? Oh, this is a little pin to take out the SIM card. Okay, cool. So these are, this is the charging cable. Awesome. Check the description at the back. Again, this is the iPhone 13 at midnight. And as you can see, it is definitely like this midnight navy blue, which I am totally living for. Absolutely love it. I think it's such a gorgeous color. So very excited about that. Yeah, this is how she's looking. So I'm going to go ahead and power her up. Coupled with the iPhone, my mom did get me this protective case. This case is by a brand called Capsule, and it looks like this is the Caliber series, and it's for an iPhone 13, as I mentioned, and it's got a slim protection, drop test, and it's easy to install. So I will definitely be using this case right away. So we can go ahead and unbox this as well. And this is what it looks like here. Just a very plain black case. Nothing too crazy or fancy about it. Looks good. So in addition to that case, as I had mentioned, I also have a screen protector, which is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that in this sleeve. So this is the screen protector. I'm going to leave it in the sleeve until we are ready to get the iPhone 13 all set up. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and get it rebooted and get it set up. Ooh, she looks good. Not a scratch in sight. I love it. I love it. I love that for me. Nothing like the beginning welcome message of a brand new iPhone. And here it is. It's prompting me to go ahead and set it up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to plug it in for a little while, make sure it's fully charged. It's got a lot of juice. And I'm going to begin the process of transferring my information from my current old iPhone, my iPhone XR, over to my brand new cute baby iPhone, the iPhone 13. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. If you want to see how to transfer your data and information from your old iPhone to a new iPhone, then definitely stay tuned. I will be filming that video next. Go ahead and put the screen protector on the new iPhone 13. So this is it here. It says this is a back peel. It says please peel off this mask before application. So I'm going to peel this off. This is the back. I'm assuming it goes like that. I always get so nervous when it comes to these things because I want to make sure it's on evenly and perfectly. Is that anybody else? So this is the back. Ooh, okay. So it's happening, guys. It is happening. Pray for me. Let's hope I get this on right. Even Steven. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I always get nervous when I do these things and I'm doing it on camera. So it's like a level of nerves that's like unmatched. I think I might have to bring it closer to my face. So we're going to go ahead and do it. I hope this is good angle for you guys because I'm so nervous. And if it's not a good angle, too bad. So sad. This is real life here. Oh, it's not on good. Maybe I should start from the bottom and then work my way up. Okay. I feel like it could be on better, but I think it's good enough. Okay, so I've got it on to my liking. And I'm just going to press it down, make sure it's good. I'm probably putting like a million fingerprints all over it, which I am. That's lovely, but I don't care. As long as my screen's protected, that is good. Okay, cool. We're on. Screen protector is on, which makes me happy. So I just used a lens cloth to clean off the front. And whoops, I'm going to go ahead and put the iPhone 13 in the brand new case. Get it set up. Pop it in there. Yeah, cool. Awesome. I like. Looks good. I'm so excited to finally have a brand new iPhone. And I'm even more excited to use it. So this is an exciting day. Long overdue. My mom's going to be absolutely thrilled when I tell her I finally have unboxed her gift to me and set up my iPhone, because every time I see her, I saw her, I think yesterday, she's always like taking a side eye, a glance at my phone to see if I've set it up yet, because she's just completely stopped asking. I'm not even going to mention it actually. I'm just going to wait until the next time I see her, and I'm going to see how long it takes for her to notice that I'm finally using the new iPhone. So again, Mom, if you're watching this video, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm so sorry for taking forever to unbox this gift and use it. You know, I'm very much grateful for everything that I get. I'm just become a procrastinator in my adult life, and this is what happens. So my lack of not opening the gift is obviously not because I'm ungrateful. I'm very much grateful. I got a brand new iPhone for my birthday. Like, come on now. Like I said, I'm just a procrastinator, so I'm finally getting around to it. But yes, I'm very excited to have my new iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and transfer now the information from my old current iPhone, the iPhone XR, over to this beautiful baby here. Again, this is the iPhone 13 in the color Midnight, which is a gorgeous deep blue midnight color. Very suitable for the name. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy set up, clean off the lenses there, make sure she's looking good. And before I sign off, I thought it would be good to show you the unboxing of the Apple USB-C power adapter. So this is the box right here. And of course, my mom was very gracious enough to get me this as well, because the new iPhones, you need an adapter for the USB-C, because that is the port that they are using now. So this is just the instruction booklet, just the packaging. Okay, and this is the power adapter here. And as you can see, it is a USB-C port, as opposed to just like the regular USB ports. And it is going to fit very well with the charger. This is the charger that came with the iPhone 13, and it has a USB-C end here. So this is great. So I'll just be able to charge my iPhone, no problem. And it's also good because I have a MacBook, which also uses the USB-C port extension. So yeah, I'm very happy. So I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy charged up. So I have enough juice to transfer all of the information from my old iPhone into my new iPhone. That is it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, if you like unboxings, definitely leave a comment down below. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel for more, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.